Hey guys, just kind of wanted to show y'all something. Y'all know I work on cars. I work on cars for a living. But this right here came into the shop today. The guy says his brakes are making a noise. Isn't that kind of crazy? Hold on one second. Let me get the wheel off. Okay, we got the tires off of. This is the brake pad. Okay. Down in there. This car was driven to my shop. They drove it here. Guy said the brakes was making a noise. Just beat the rotor up, beat the brake pad completely out of the groove there. It's not even on there. And then this side is almost there itself. You can see where it's been going. So just wondering, how long do you drive a vehicle before you realize the brakes are bad? All right. See y'all. Bye.